ran in. I was walking back.
What's up, YouTube? We're going to do this cool trick for you guys. It's -7, but with the wind chill, it's -24 outside. We got some boiling water. We're going to see if we throw it in the air, if it freezes right away. So let's do it. Oh, you can feel that chilly air. That was awesome.
Oh, that was cool.
Bill and I
Turned
got
straight
nothing
into.
on me.
Yeah, Bill and I got nothing on us. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. That turned straight into snow. That was crazy. All right, guys. Have a good one. We'll have more videos out soon.